To answer chemistry questions, use our drag and drop interface in the dedicated editor. The question appears at the bottom. You can drag symbols from the tabs at the top. This entry box is for chemical elements. Some questions have element hexagons that you can drag into your answer. In others, you must type the symbol of the element before the hexagon appears. You must use the correct upper and lower case letters. If necessary, click the digits to make a longer number and drag it into place. You can remove an item by dragging it to the bin. Blue circles show where you can attach or dock an item. It is easiest to write your answer on paper first, then create it in the editor, so you know which numbers you need. Here are algebraic symbols, including Greek letters. In chemistry, these are used in nuclear reactions and half equations, where you will use the electron symbol. If a question requires state symbols, drag them from this tab. To complete your chemical equation, use the symbols in the final tab, a plus sign and an equation arrow. Use the fraction hexagon to enter fractional stoichiometric coefficients. There is also a reversible equation arrow and more specialized symbols that you may sometimes need. The plus and minus signs are also used to add charges to ions. Preview your answer in the preview box. Click the green arrow to leave the editor. Your equation should now appear in the answer box, and you can check your answer. In some questions, you may find a seed already entered when you open the editor. You can complete the equation by inserting numbers and state symbols into the correct position in the seed. Pull apart expressions from the right-hand end. Then insert missing items into the correct position, and put the parts together again. You cannot drop to dock on the left-hand side. It is once again easier to write your answer on paper first, then drag down the items you need to insert.